Closing Tech Bud, and we have got the Pixel Buds Pro here, which just arrived. So here is the previous Pixel Buds A series. Let's see if there's anything different. By the looks of the cover, there is a difference there, and aesthetics anyway. So let's have a look and see what else we get inside. So with these, you've got multi-point connectivity, you've transparency mode, you've got great bass with a volume equalizer, which is good, and you've got A and C on board as well, and a new design and all that kind of stuff. You've touch controls, water and sweat resistant, and you've got wireless charging as well. So let's take them out and have a look and see what they look like. Okay, so that's that there. So inside we get this cool little package here, which contain your tips. Really neat idea. And a booklet for instructions. So that is basically it. No cable. Okie dokie, so let's have a look. And there we are, old versus new. It is a slight bit bigger, as you can see there, and the design is pretty much the same but slightly bigger. So let's open them up. So I'm going to actually pop up my Pixel 6 and see if we get our usual pop-up window. And I must turn on my Bluetooth actually. So that's what they look like there. Completely new design, as you can see. And we've got this nice minty green colour. And there you go. You have the Pixel Buds Pro pop up on the phone, or Pixel 6a. Do check out that review. So let's have a look at the previous. So you can see there, it is a total new design, which is really cool and looks really well. So I'm just going to put them back away in the box. And we'll just quickly look at the top there. You can see there you've got mics on the outside there, which you couldn't visibly see them there. It does seem to have a smaller top, but they are a bigger earbud by the looks of it. So you've got left and right, and you've got your two connection points there for connecting into the case. And I'm just going to pop them in. The magnet is very strong. They ain't going to budge. So what we're going to do is get them connected up and get testing and listen to how they sound. Now, as you know, if you have a Pixel 6a, you won't be able to wirelessly charge, as it doesn't have wireless charging on the back, but that's fine. It's not really a big deal for me, but just to let you know. But yeah, we're going to get these set up and tested, but they do look really nice indeed, and a nice new design, nice and fresh. And there again, you can see, even if you take one out, it's going to pop up on your screen on your phone. So stay tuned after the break for more.